In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on Facebook step by step so you can switch to a more comfortable viewing experience in just a minute or two. Dark mode is great if you spend a lot of time scrolling on Facebook, especially at night or in low light, because it can make the interface easier on your eyes and give the app a cleaner look. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Now let's get started. First, open Facebook and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top right corner and click your profile picture. This will open the menu where Facebook keeps most of the account and display settings. From there, click on Settings and Privacy. This is the section where you can control a lot of your Facebook preferences, including appearance options. After that, click Display and Accessibility. Inside this menu, you'll find options related to how Facebook looks and feels on your screen. Now look for dark mode. When you find it, select on to enable it. As soon as you turn it on, Facebook should switch to the darker theme right away, giving you that dark background and lighter text that makes browsing much more comfortable in the evening. If you don't see the change immediately, give it a second and make sure the setting has been saved properly. And that's really all there is to it. You've now enabled dark mode on Facebook in just a few simple clicks. If you ever want to switch back later, you can follow the same steps and turn the setting off again. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.